Hi everybody, Chef Kirsten here with Mesa de Vida. I am going to show you how to make a really simple, really delicious, and really exciting dinner in the Instant Pot. If you're looking for more recipes for the Instant Pot, if you're a fan of the frozen chicken breast and healthy, super delicious convenience cooking sauces such as Mesa de Vida North African-inspired cooking sauce to really make delicious meals when you get home from work. This is going to take less than 10 minutes to make, and I'm going to serve it with a bed of mashed cauliflower. You can serve it with some chickpeas, just with a roasted baked potato or some sweet potatoes, something super healthy and delicious, and it's going to be really exciting. So you're not going to have to sacrifice boring, bland food for a really delicious meal in super fast time. This is over 15 ingredients in this jar that I don't have to chop. It's already done. Expert seasoning, so it's absolutely delicious. I developed these sauces for some of my professional athlete clients over the years that love Moroccan food, and I had to get them to eat more vegetables, and I also needed something that was quick and simple that they could make themselves and that they didn't have to be a chef to go ahead and make. So all of the spices, whole ground spices, fruits, vegetables, spices, and herbs are all that is in this. Just gonna pour it over, hit the button, walk away, and dinner will be done. The house is gonna smell amazing, and I'm gonna have something really delicious and exciting to bring to the table. It's great to expand your family's palate. Not everybody's had Moroccan food. It can be kind of intimidating. There's so many spices that go into this kind of cuisine. Absolutely delicious though. It's all in the jar if you want to start experimenting with this flavor. This is how easy it is to make.
Okay, all I have here is some frozen chicken breast tenders. You can use any boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts that you like. You can also use whole chicken that is on the bone, but it will take longer. There's our North African cooking sauce, absolutely delicious. It's gorgeous. They're concentrated flavor bases, packed with delicious flavor. And it's super good for you. It's just as if you had gone to the store, bought all of the vegetables, chopped them up yourself, whole ground spices, and of course be a chef and know how to put them all together. It's already in there for you. So you can see how concentrated they are. You're gonna add just about a half a cup of the, 1 cup of the sauce. And I go ahead and add a couple of tablespoons of water just to get it a little bit more liquidy, because again, the sauces are concentrated. And in the Instant Pot, it's going to bring out all of the moisture because those chicken breasts are frozen. They have a tiny bit of ice on them, so it will pull out some juices. It'll be super juicy for you. All we're going to do is put it in there, pop the top on the Instant Pot, and set it for 10 minutes on manual. And that is it. If you chop up your chicken smaller, it'll take a little faster, of course. And that's it. 10 minutes later, I did let the pressure reduce a little bit naturally and then went ahead and quick released it. Look at all of that juice that comes out of it. So good, and oh my gosh, it smells so great. So just kind of shred it up if you like. You can leave the pieces whole if you'd rather. I will show you a recipe at the link below on the website where I took the leftovers from this and made some incredible Moroccan wrap sandwiches. So good. Again, this is so versatile, great for meal prep, so many different ways to use it. Look at that luscious sauce. You want to reduce it down a little bit, take the meat out, and then put your Instant Pot to saute and let it reduce down until it gets thickened to exactly where you like it.
You ready to make some yourself? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, Mesa de Vida channel, so that you get all of our new recipe posts. And then head to mesadevida.com. The link's going to be down below for the recipe and also for the links to where you can find the sauce or how to order it. It's available in store, or we will ship it to your door. So I can't wait to see you over at mesadevida.com. I can't wait to help bring more life to your table.